Hello, today I'm in Mazda CX-5. In this video I'll show you how to manage cruise control. In the beginning, accelerate to desired speed and now press on button on the steering wheel. Cruise control is now enabled, you can see that by icon right here. To start it, press set minus button. Now you can let the acceleration pedal go. To increase the speed, press plus button. To decrease, press minus button. To pause cruise control, press cancel. To restart cruise control, press reset. To turn off cruise control, press off button. To start cruise control from the point you've selected in the first place, press set plus button. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.